Good morning, everyone. Let's start with the contraction. Today we are going to learn contraction. Now you will say, teacher, what does this mean? The contraction is a very new term for all of us. Okay. But in third standard also, you must have understood the contraction. You are using the contractions in a daily one. But because of the word properly is not introduced to you, you are having some confusions for that. Let me just clear all your confusions through giving the examples, through giving the definition and all that. Okay, let's continue with the understanding of what is contraction. Now, a contraction, a word to contract means to make a smaller. Contract means what? We are making a particular word smaller. A contraction is made by combining two words to make a single word. This makes it easier to speak these words. Contractions are short forms of word. What are they? They are the short forms of word. Now, I make a contraction using an apostrophe. We make a contraction by using apostrophe. As I have explained the apostrophe to you. Yes? Where you have apostrophe in your lesson name? Give me the example in which lesson you have this apostrophe. Yes, it's I would like to be a lighthouse. I would. How it is written? I yes would. It is written like this, na? I would like to be a lighthouse. So what this I apostrophe D? Yes, it consists of I would. What it is? It's a I would. I would like to be a lighthouse. Yes or no? Yes, that's why I'm telling you, you are using these contractions before also, but only the word was not introduced to you. The contraction word is not introduced to you. So, what is a contradiction? Contraction means it's a combination of two words to make you to speak easier, to make it to make a sentence shorter. Okay. And how do we make the contraction? We use it with the help of apostrophe. Okay, it's a punctuation mark that is made up of letters in a word. Observe the smaller marks inside the circle given below. You can just see, wait a minute. You can just see this one. Yes, in that circle, one comma is given over that, the punctuation mark. it punctuation, that is comma s. What it is considered? This one is considered as the apostrophe. What it is? It is considered to be the apostrophe. And when we talked about the contraction, we use the apostrophe in that word. Okay. Now, by using the apostrophe, we have made a contraction of word it is. What was that short form? This was the short form of it is. Which one? I am talking about this. Yes, what will be the full form of this? It is. This is the full form. But to make it shorter and to make it easier, we made the contraction. It's. Okay. This is about the contraction to make the word smaller. Okay. In contractions, there is no space between two words. What? When we do the contraction, is becomes s only with the apostrophe. Okay. But you are not going to give any space between the words. You are not going to give the space between any word. Let us read the rules and understand the apostrophe can be used to make the contraction. Let's start with the rules. Contraction with is, am, and are. Okay. Now, what are these verbs? These are the verbs. Many times we used it with the prepositions. For example, the place I is in is replaced by apostrophe. What we do is the word. When we wanted to replace that, Okay. When we wanted to replace is with the apostrophe, what you will do? You will write its, that's, those. That means apostrophe S only. Apostrophe S. That means that is, this is. Okay. The A are replaced by apostrophe. When we are talking about are, which word we are talking about now? A-R-E, that is verb. Okay. So to make the contraction, we use the pronoun. After that, we add the verb. But the first letter of the verb is considered or replaced by the apostrophe. What we do? We replace the first word by apostrophe. If there is, we replaced it by the apostrophe S. What we do? We replaced it by the apostrophe S. Okay, like this. Now, let's talk about M. What you will do for M? You will replace the A by apostrophe M. You will replace it by apostrophe and M. You are going to replace A and you are going to add A, apostrophe. Okay. I will repeat the contraction of is, M and R. Okay. I will repeat the contraction. What is happens when you have is? If you have is, you can use it as apostrophe S. That means it's. It's. Okay. If you have are, okay, you will replace A and you will add apostrophe A, sorry, A-R-E, that is we apostrophe R, we are. Okay, we are in class 4. Let's move. Now, here some of the contractions are given. She is, she becomes she's. He is becomes his. Why is becomes wise. How is became house. That is that's. They are they are. You are your. We are we are. I am. Okay, these are the some examples of contraction. Now, let's talk about the contraction with will, has, have, and had. Okay, let's see the contraction of will. Okay, what is about the will? The spelling is W-I-L-L. But when we are doing the contraction, at that time, we replace W-I with the apostrophe and it remains double L. Apostrophe double L. It will. You can see over here. It will. It will. Okay. So we replace WI by apostrophe to make the word easier. Okay. Now let's move with the has. Now in the case of has and have, you will receive HA. You will replace the word HA. Now he had. If I'm using the had, you will receive H. You will remove HA. Okay. So what it becomes? S apostrophe S. He has. How you will write? Wait a minute. I will show you. If you have has, what you will do? Apostrophe S. That means he apostrophe S. That means he has. Okay. If you have the had, what you will do? You will replace the word HA and you will have apostrophe D. Okay. Let's see the examples. Okay. I'll show you some of the examples. There will WI will replaced by we will replace the WI, and in has and have you will replace HA, that is only will remain S, or it will remain in have, it will remain VE. Okay, and let me give you this. See, I will becomes I will, she'll, he will, it will, you will, they will. And for have, we have replaced HA, you have, we have, they have. Okay, these all are the contractions of the verbs. Okay, they are the contractions of the verbs. Now, for apostrophe for singular possession, and in this case, the apostrophe is used to show the belonging of possessive. As I have taught you the apostrophe, yes, you must have remember apostrophe. It is connected with the contraction. So what is the first rule for apostrophe is, it's a noun in singular, adds the apostrophe. Okay, if you have the noun in a singular, you will add the apostrophe plus S. The tail of dog. Instead of writing such a big sentence, you can see the tail of dog. Instead of writing this much big sentence, what you will write? The dog's tail. That is the contraction of dog's tail. Okay, this is about the apostrophe. Okay, you can make the sentence smaller by using the apostrophe. What is the rule number second? Sorry, what is the rule number second? It is, if the noun is singular and ends with S, you can add the apostrophe. Okay, you can add the apostrophe after S. The wheels of the bus, what you have done? Apostrophe S after the singular one. Bus. Okay, this is all about the apostrophe. Is the doubt clear? Don't get confused with the apostrophe and the contraction. Contractions are used to make the word smaller, and in that we always make it the verb contract with the pronoun. Okay, I will, it will. Okay, and in apostrophe we just give an apostrophe and add the S for the singular and the plural one. Okay. Here are some of the apostrophe which we have made. Could not, couldn't, does not, doesn't. Okay. These are the right ways of writing. If you are writing it wrong, they will consider as incorrect use of. These all are the incorrect uses. Okay. They are the incorrect use. What is the correct use of? Yes. Could not became couldn't. These all are the correct use of apostrophe. Okay. So I hope all of you must have understood the contraction. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.